In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your website using Wix Studio and customize it with dynamic data. Let's dive right in and start enhancing your site's functionality and interactivity. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Wix Studio dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the menu on the left side of the screen and look for the option labeled Pages and Menu. This is where you'll manage all the existing pages of your site and have the ability to add new ones as well. To add a new page, you'll want to click on the plus icon, which is often labeled Add Page. Once you do that, Wix will present you with a selection of different page templates to choose from. You can go ahead and select a template that suits the theme or purpose of your new page. This step is important because it sets the foundation for the kind of content you want to display. After selecting your desired template, the newly added page will open up, ready for customization. This is where the fun begins. To make your page dynamic and interactive, you'll want to incorporate dynamic data. Start by navigating to the left-hand panel and selecting Wix Data Collections. In this section, you can create a new data collection, which is essentially a database within your website. Now think of this as the backend of your site, where data is stored and managed. For instance, you might want to create a collection for user profiles, product information, or blog posts. With that in place, head over to manage your data collection by adding fields that relate to the information you want to display. These fields could include text, images, dates, and more, so customize them according to the purpose of your page. Now that you have your data collection set up, go back to the page you've added. To link this page to your dynamic data, first select any element that you want to populate with data. It might be text boxes, images, or even tables. With an element selected, look for the Connect to Data button, usually located at the top options bar. Click on that, and a panel will appear prompting you to choose the data collection and specific field you wish to connect to. This step essentially links your page elements to your data collection, allowing data to be dynamically displayed on your site. Once the connections are made, you can now test how your page looks with the dynamic data. Use the preview function in Wix Studio to see how the data populates in real time. This step is crucial to ensure everything is aligned properly and displays as intended. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit the Publish button. This will make your new page live on your site, and any changes or additions to your connected data collection will automatically update on your site, providing continuous updates without the need for manual changes. And there you have it. A new dynamic page on your Wix site using Wix Data Collections to enhance functionality. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating!